Hello. My name is Diana Karen Asensio Anguiano, and I'm 21 years old. I've been studying English the most part of my life. My parents always sent me to bilingual schools, so I understand and read and write English perfectly. In the conversation part, I think I'm losing a little bit fluency because in my daily life I don't get to speak to too much people who speak English, so I have no one to practice with. I mean, I sing in English like almost every day, but it's not the same like keeping a conversation, but it's just practice and I can totally handle that. And I'm going now to talk about my last job. I'm a very creative person. I love like making things with my hands, like creative work, like all those DIY works. And I got to work in this flower shop mainly because I'm studying interior design. So in this flower shop we didn't only like did these flower arrangements, they also did landscape design. So I used to work with an architect. The architect made the designs, and my job was to translate those designs in an image in Photoshop, like the photographs, and then overlaying like plants and arranging everything so the customer would know how the final work would like, and so they could decide if they wanted it or not, or we could change like all the design or give them ideas, visual ideas. And that's mainly what I did. I also did flower arrangements there. I used to attend the customer, and I was also in charge of some administration parts. And that's pretty much what I did in my last job. So I hope this video would be enough for you to know if I'm a candidate or not. And thank you for your time.